Hi, this is Charlie giving you Friday's live trading video. I hope you're very well. But it's not actually live trading, although it was. There was about a 25-minute video, but it all got mucked up today because I had an internet outage. It is now, as you can see, 10:05 in the evening. Basically, what's happened is the video started at, oh blimey, 7:45, 7:30 this morning. So let me take you to the first trade that I took today, which was on the Euro Aussie. We're going to have to go through these trades just to run through what actually happened. So I've got a 25-minute recording. The problem is when I had the internet outage, and the only reason I know is because I was expecting to come back in and summarize everything here tonight. I've come back in. We had this internet outage, but it's affected my Camtasia Studio. You've got to also bear in mind I'm a technophobe, and so all of a sudden the video recording, when I've gone to produce it, hasn't worked and it's silent. So there's nothing there, absolutely nothing. So I'm now just doing a summary video here with you at 10:05 on Friday night, and I'm going to send this out on Saturday morning. So what happened here, all I can do is show you the trades that I took. I'm going to take screenshots so you can see what the trades were. And you have to trust me that I was in here with our traders in the live trading room today as I took these trades. It's a software glitch that's brought this about. Maybe it's done you a favor because it was 25 minutes long. Now you're just getting a summary. So what happened? The Euro Aussie, it was having a nice push up here early this morning, so I bought it up in this zone, and then it rolled straight back over. So I got stopped out on the Euro Aussie, and then it didn't really amount to much the rest of the day. So let me take a quick screenshot of my of the account here. Now, when I'm taking these trades, I'm always risking, as I said last time, between £200 to £300 is the risk that I'm looking to take on these trades. And in fact, like I said today, I actually got the position sizing just a little bit out. It was £330 I lost on that. So there you go. So that's the so it was a losing day today. That was the first trade. The second trade, we left that alone. We didn't know whether we were going to get another setup because I really like the higher time frames on it. When you come out to the daily chart, it's very flat, really flat. But I think it's got some prospects there. At some point, I think that it's got some prospects to have a bounce. On the weekly chart, which could see it back up to 170. So that's why I've been wanting to trade that Euro Aussie. Now, as far as the other currencies were concerned, a lot of these currencies last night, I'm recording this now Friday night, so Thursday night into Friday, they'd all had these moves overnight, like a lot of the Euro pairs and Aussie and Kiwi and stuff. So there wasn't anything to be done with the likes of Euro Dollar. So all these markets are now shut, obviously. But one market which did appeal to me was the S&P, funnily enough. So now don't think, oh, Charlie must have had a great run to the upside there. No, because the S&P, as well as the some of those currencies, had a run down overnight. The futures had a run down overnight. And if you take it to the daily chart, what I liked about this was that if I take it into Thursday, this was Thursday, the close into Thursday, it got to the upper end of its range, just broken out, and then come straight back in on Thursday. So when Friday morning, this morning, as I'm recording this now, it's still Friday at the moment, when it was down intraday here, now I know it's closed back up, but when I looked at it this morning, it looked good to short a retracement. So if I take you back now to the hourly chart, what actually happened on the live trading was that we'd come down overnight. I was waiting for a retracement to get short, so back up into these sort of lows, technical level, to short it, and so I shorted it with a stop up at 64, 29.64. It's not quite got there as yet. We're at 29.56 on the futures chart here, but it's looking very much like I'm going to get stopped out. So again, I'm just going to give you a screenshot of that position. All about disclosure here and what I've done. So there's nothing I can't disclose here, because our members would, anyone who tries to say, oh Charlie, you know, why would I lie about having losing trades? Because our members were here. So Rachel's just come back in through the door, so hopefully she's not going to be too loud. Even though it's 10:05, she's gone to pick up our daughter. So as I'm just recording this, this was the position that we took. We shorted it at 29.34. Our stop is at 29.64. I'm currently down, what's that, 88 and 88. So what's that, 160, 168, 176 on that. So two losing trades there for today. Those were the two trades that were taken. Now the S&P's obviously not been stopped yet. That's just how it's closed. But like I've said, it looks like I'm going to get stopped out on that S&P trade into Monday, because it looks quite strong. So if it does roll over, fine, I'll update it when I do one of my videos next week, because I was looking at lows targeting down here. But I must say it looks pretty good, doesn't it, at the moment? Now it's come up too much, so it's likely I'm going to get a stop out there, so I'm assuming that's the case. So I do apologize that the liveliness of this video isn't there. Like I said, when I was doing it during the live markets today, it ended up being about 25 minutes, so maybe I've done you a favor, as there was nothing as a winning trade is concerned. But anyway, that's the reality of the two trades there today. A bit disappointing as far as, like I said, some of these markets, some of the major currencies, they made their moves, like the euro overnight. It made its move. The pound, a similar sort of thing. It had a sharp drop first thing in the morning, and then just chop all day. So I don't think that even if I'd have got into a trade, you'd have to be really nifty to get in and out very quick. Because if you were trying to run any sort of trade today, then on some of these currencies, then there wouldn't have been much there. Yes, the S&P basically bottomed out here and then just went up all day long, but it wasn't in my remit. I was quite happy looking at that range on the daily chart and then saying, right, okay, there might be some follow through back into the range here, but it hasn't done it as yet. So anyway, there you go. That's the Friday live trading. It's all about just that, telling you what's happened, what I've done, and then Kim obviously will be doing next Fridays. And so but that's what happened to me. So two losing trades. Well, I think two losing trades today. We'll see about this dollar yen, S&P should I say. But the point with trading, as always, is when I'm taking these sort of trades, is that I can have two losing trades, I can have one winner, and it can pay for two losers. So I put these videos out, and I've been doing these live trading videos for years. Go back over our back catalog and you'll see all the videos I've done over the years. I know Kim's only just taken over recently of doing them, and he's doing a great job of doing his videos. But with mine, you've seen over and over again me prove that, oh, okay, you only have to have one winner and it can pay for two or three losers. And so a day like today, two losers, all I get is a snapshot of what's happened on that particular day, but you have to put it into perspective. And trading isn't all about winning, as some of you who are good traders know. We've got many traders who have 30-40% win rates, so they're only right way less than 50% of the time, but they actually still make good money. And I think that's a really good point to make there as well. So anyway, but today it was, for the purpose of the video, two straight losing trades. It looks, whereas one confirmed, the Euro Aussie, the S&P looks that way. I suspect by the time that we all wake up on Monday morning, then I've been stopped out of that. Anyway, enjoy your weekends, have a nice weekend, and enjoy your bank holidays as well. And I'll see you next week.